Welcome to 4 Allison Court in Prospect. This almost 3,000 square foot colonial has 5 bedrooms and it's on just under an acre of land. Let's get inside and see where this house is going to win you over. Come check it out. So now that we're inside, you will see where this house really shines. We have beautiful hardwood floors here on the main level with not only a dining room, an eat-in kitchen, this oversized living room with a wood-burning fireplace, and one of my favorite features here on the first level, this beautiful sunroom. It has huge ceilings, it has great wood trim, skylights, there's so much natural light. It rounds out the first floor perfectly. Out in this sunroom, you have great ceramic tile, you have windows on all 3 sides. You can almost feel the summer breeze blowing through here already. Great detail with the brick, the skylights, overlooking your perfect backyard. You have to come see this property. It's one that I'm super excited about, and you know what that means. When I'm excited about it, so are all the buyers. Don't wait, come out here and see it today. Here in this awesome kitchen, we have granite countertops, subway tile backsplash, and it is huge. We have an eat-in area in front of us. We have dual ovens behind me. We have a great refrigerator and amazing French doors that lead out to the private backyard. That's one of the next things I want to show you after we finish rounding out the first floor. We have a 5th bedroom behind. We also have plenty of closet space and an oversized 2-car garage. There is so much living space and storage space, which is probably one of the most untalked about things in homes. You have to make sure you have enough storage space because that's the first thing you grow out of. So now that we are upstairs, there is so much to see up here. This is one of the bedrooms, technically the 5th bedroom. One of the big things we hear from every buyer is there's not enough storage space. That is not something you will say at 4 Allison Court. Behind me is a great feature and a little bit of a surprise. Let's go see what is hidden behind door number 1. You have this awesome room that is a bonus room. It could be a great home office, a great playroom. It could be a great workout room. It's located over the garage. It has great lighting, perfect natural light. It could be a 7th bedroom. There is so much space here, and that's the one thing every house needs more of, is space. Let's go look at the rest of the 2nd floor. All these bedrooms upstairs have so much space, and most of them have walk-in or deep reach-in closets. The upstairs has hardwood floor in the hallway. The primary and secondary bedrooms both have hardwood floors. The laundry is upstairs for you already in an updated bathroom, and I can't wait to show you the primary side of the house. We have real hardwood floors, real solid wood doors, wainscoting down the hallway, and these 2 great bedrooms up here. The primary directly behind me, come check it out. It has a walk-in closet. It has a large updated primary bath, great windows overlooking the backyard, and the beautiful gleaming hardwood. Well, now that we went through the entire home, I started thinking. I thought originally it was a 5-bedroom home. Then I thought I counted 6. So now I'm thinking we should go back and recount how many awesome rooms there are that could potentially be bedrooms. Let's go count them out right now. Bedroom number 1, 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, 7. 7 rooms that could be bedrooms. Out back, right off the kitchen, we have this great deck that I'm standing on. And when you look at the whole area, you'll see this great patio in your private backyard. I think you can already hear the summer music playing, the grilling in all your friends and family, celebrating your new home. You'll be in just in time for summer. Call us today. Do not miss 4 Allison Court, because while you're thinking about it, somebody else is writing an offer. Call me today and don't miss it.